Good evening, and thank you for joining us for the 2020 CFA International Top Cat Challenge virtual competition. Today we're going to be reviewing the results of the Great Lakes Regional Qualifying Virtual Event. But of course, first we have to thank our sponsors. All of the sponsors listed below have donated prizes or cash to buy prizes so that everyone could have something great. So let's get started with our championship Best of the Best. 10th Best Cat in Championship, Moutrix Shoot the Breeze. 9th Best Cat in Championship, Grand Champion National Winner Suavere's Coraline. 8th Best Cat in Championship, Ivy Cat Ram Tough. 7th Best Cat in Championship, Joyofkitties Davina. 6th Best Cat in Championship, Fancyfluff's Almond Joy. 5th Best Cat in Championship, Lynzkatz Lib'ear'ty Belle. 4th Best Cat in Championship, EUPHORIA'S BRUNO Mars 2 of Chapter Best. 3rd Best Cat in Championship, Kalila Aloha Hua of Tajhara. 2nd Best Cat in Championship, Symphony. And our very best cat in championship is Ready or Not, Sweet Emotion. Thank you all for participating in the Great Lake Regional Qualifying Virtual Event. We really appreciated your participation and look forward to seeing you all soon.